Have you ever heard the saying, your network is your net worth? I certainly have, and it completely changed how I approached my career. Just last year, a connection I made at a casual coffee meetup directly led to a fantastic speaking opportunity I never would have found otherwise. It's true. Studies show that around 85% of opportunities, whether it's career, business, or financial growth, come through people you know. Networking isn't just small talk. It's about building meaningful relationships that can open up entire new landscapes of possibilities you never imagined. Today, let's talk about how you can use the power of networking to grow your wealth, your career, and your future. Networking is more than exchanging business cards. It's about creating real connections where you and the other person both bring value to the table. Value isn't just about money or a big favor. It could be sharing a useful article, offering an introduction, or simply being a great listener. Imagine this. How much time and money could you save if you had direct access to someone who's already navigated the challenges you're facing? A mentor could give you advice that saves you years of mistakes. A new friend might introduce you to a business partner or client. A simple conversation could lead to your next job or big break. Our community is wonderfully tight-knit, a place where genuine trust forms the bedrock of connections. When people here know, like, and trust you, they become your strongest advocates, far more likely to open doors and recommend you for opportunities you might never find elsewhere. Strategy 1. Show up where opportunities happen. Opportunities rarely come to those who stay at home. Go to industry events, workshops, meetups, and even casual community gatherings. Set a simple goal. Every time you attend, meet at least 3 new people. My personal trick? I always try to learn one unique, memorable thing about each person I talk to. It helps me remember them and follow up authentically. Strategy 2. Build an online presence. In today's world, networking happens both offline and online. Platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook Professional Mode are perfect for connecting with professionals. Post your unique insights, share your professional journey, even the lessons learned from challenges, and engage meaningfully with other people's content. Don't just like a post. Leave a thoughtful comment that adds to the conversation. Strategy 3. Lead with value, not requests. One of the biggest mistakes people make is asking for help too soon. Instead, flip the script. How can I help this person first? Maybe you can share useful information, introduce them to someone, or support their work. When you genuinely become a giver, consistently offering value without expectation, you cultivate a network of people who naturally want to reciprocate. This isn't a quick transaction. It's how real, long-term relationships and the most significant financial opportunities are built. Think of every strong connection you make as planting a valuable seed. Some seeds might sprout quickly, offering immediate opportunities, while others take time, months, or even years to flourish. But with consistent nurturing, checking in, offering support, remembering their stories, your network becomes a powerful garden, yielding incredible results. Opportunities for better jobs, business deals, investments, and partnerships. All of these often come not from blind luck, but from the deep, authentic trust you've built over time. So remember, networking isn't just for the most extroverted or for business elites. It's a fundamental skill for everyone who genuinely wants to grow, learn, and create a richer life. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Send a LinkedIn message to someone you admire, invite a colleague for coffee, or finally attend that industry event you've been thinking about. You never know which conversation could completely change the trajectory of your life. If you found these insights valuable and want more tips on networking, career growth, and life in Australia, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. Your journey to financial growth starts with connection. See you in the next video.